Hey guys, welcome to Tactris tutorial. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to get Spotify Wrapped in 2023. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Now to get Spotify Wrapped in 2023, you should be using Spotify already this year. So once you have already used that, or if you have already listened to some music in Spotify this year, you'll just need to head onto your Spotify after that, and you should be able to see a wrap section onto the upper part of your device. So right after, you should be able to see your wrap in there: artist messages, live events, 2023 in podcast, top songs, 2023 in music, and you could create a blend. You'll just have to click onto your 2023 wrap. You should be able to see a summarized version of it by Spotify. And that's just basically it onto getting Spotify Wrapped in 2023. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.